Okay, we're going to use our Gourmia air fryer again, and we're going to make our fried egg toast like we did yesterday. I meant to post that, but I didn't do it, but we'll do it. It's preheating right now. We've done this before, it turned out good. Now I don't have any parchment paper today, so I'm just going to put the toast directly on the little tray in there. We'll see how it turns out. I don't know if it'll turn out okay or not, but we'll see how it turns out. We'll do another follow-up about the cataract surgery as well. We'll be heading out to do some stuff and wear our sunglasses and all that, but we'll update you here. This is going to cook for 7 minutes. Once this preheating is done, we'll stick it in. Okay, it said to add the food, so we added the food, our little toast, egg toast, and we are cooking it for 7 minutes. Now we will open it up, I think, at halfway. I don't know if this will come on at halfway or not, but we can't shake it, so I'm not sure what it'll do. We'll see it halfway, or we just let it. We'll check it before the 7 minutes. We may extend it a little bit. The egg wasn't quite ready yesterday. Okay, we checked it, and we're going to pull it out a little sooner than it says to. The egg, I don't want to get the toast too brown, but it looks perfect right now. The egg's a little bit, maybe not quite like I'd like it, but it's going to be close enough. So we've got to get it out of there somehow or another and get it on our plate and eat it. So well, I guess we can put it back in there and then hit stop and cancel. Okay, there. That ended it. But yeah, I think that's going to be, I'm going to start using this a lot more. We've cooked hash browns in it the last 2 nights. I may do a video with the hash browns, and I have a video with hamburgers. So let's get it out and get it in our plate and eat breakfast. And to surmise what we've done, we buttered 2 pieces of bread, both sides, except for the bottom side of the bottom one. And we took a cup, made a depression in the bread, and then took a spoon and compressed it in so that the egg would have a little place to sit without running over. And next time we may not depress it quite as much. I'd like to have the egg spread out maybe a little bit more, or either use 2 eggs. We'll experiment with this and see what we like, see how it comes out, see how we like it. But right now, yeah, cutting into it. The toast is nice. The egg is going to be just right. Really probably do need 2 eggs, but it's going to be just fine, I think. So we're going to set in on it and enjoy it. Well, just as a follow-up, that was delicious. I may make another one. I don't know if y'all can hear the cricket in the background or not. I like these crickets. I don't know, they've come in for the winter, I guess. You hear them? It's pretty neat. Like I said, we may cook something in the Gourmia air fryer tonight. We got this thing from Walmart. I think it was $29, 2 quart or 4 quart, whatever it is. I've got some other videos on it, and I'll tag one of them with this. But anyway, we'll be doing a follow-up video on our cataract surgery here in a little while too when we get out. So be looking for that.